Maybe they're going to loop around, who knows. There was. Oh, see that on the red mark behind this building?
Yeah.
That building?
I want to go to that truck. On the roof there.
47 meters.
That guy on that roof. On that roof.
That was one guy. There's still another. There's still another in this building, guys.
I got some high caliber here.
Moving to half.
They're in that building. There's a lot of them in that building.
There's shit up here if you want. Armor boxes and stuff.
Man, there are still a lot of people left.
Let's go get behind this.
Getting shot. Getting shot from down. Careful, Doss.
I'm moving from mound to mound.
Yeah, son. Moving you up.
Whoop,
Oh,
whoop, 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 whoop. I could be safe. I think I'm safe from one angle, from the immediate guys I'm safe, but I don't know.
shit, there's other guys shooting. There's
Yeah,
a
I
team
saw
down
that.
there.
I'm running back
Yeah, they're getting
behind
gateway.
this tractor.
Yeah,
There's
you have plans?
angle.
Question mark?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I reckon. Whoa!
Played up.
Gun it to the house. I cracked the sniper's armor.
Everything else.
I got some hits on him. I'm just gonna crawl to the house. Dude's pushing up.
I'm inside here, Doss. Just keep.
That's it. That's it.
You're gonna...
Fuck! He's a sniper.
Going downstairs, Doss.
Yes!
Yeah,
Fucking
shit.
did it again! Fuck yeah!
That was good that we're shooting different guys too.
Oh.
Very clean. It was good that we both wanted to beat them just from